An Africa Karate Federation President Tsetse Igombe has officially arrived in the country, ready to witness the East African Region Karate Championships, which will be held this weekend at the Nyayo Stadium Indoor Arena. According to Kenya's Karate Federation President George Kithi, these championships will be used as preparations for the Pacific Games scheduled to take place in 2026 in Mauritius.
This tournament I'm going to play in the seniors category. I'll be doing from 22 years to 39 years. That's a whole categories of ladies. So I know it will be tough, but I'm expecting to do my best.
Kutakuwa na makategori kadhaa. Kutakuwa na under 21 years, then kutakuwa na 22 to 39, alafu kutakuwa na ya wazee pia. So ningependa kuahidi mkuje, mcheze, muone, mfurahi.
We use this tournament to prepare for next year activities, whose climax will be our attendance to an international event in Mauritius, Indo-Pacific tournament, which then we expect to take more than 40 athletes from Kenya.
I'm expecting a good tournament this time. Last time there was a bit of confusion with the different type of rules, but now we need to apply the JKA rules so that we can prepare for the IPC, as George has just said, and also after IPC will be the World Championships, which will have to go according to the rules of JKA.
And with less than 3 weeks